They come noble, they come to noble. I'm slicing through the name, slicing through the lane. Yeah, you really can't hold me. Yeah, J-Trax is the name. I'm famous. Matter of fact, I'm King, Hurricane Katrina. Yeah, I got a mean bitch. Yes, have you seen her? You never ever did, cause I ain't bring her out yet. Call a nigga Ash, I'ma take the Pokeball, throw it at y'all, and you gon' feel the wrath. I'm all about my money, gotta carry that staff. I'm like Moses, I'm the leader of the camp. J-Trax, yeah nigga, what the fucking shit?
Yeah, you motherfuckers, I'm back again. Mr. Grip the mic, hold it tight. You niggas wanna hate on Die Gang, but goddamn motherfucker, we the ones fucking up these fucking streets, man. These niggas wanna hate, participate, get your money up, saying fuck a bitch. I don't give a fuck, because I did her quick, and she always riding on my motherfucking dick, like a Harley quick, but I'm hardly on the money, nah nigga, you ain't know this grip. Motherfuckers wanna talk the shit, but I be spitting that story life, nigga, you better get a motherfucking script. These niggas wanna talk like the fucking sidekick. Yeah, I had your bitch, she on my fucking hip, so what you think of that? I'm getting money quick. Shout out to everybody doing their motherfucking shit. I've been the West Coast, that is. I don't give a fuck because my flow's never written. Niggas want to talk, but they never want to get it. I don't give a fuck, I'm in the booth all sitting. Niggas think I'm hot, but nigga, I'm cold. Type of nigga, grab your girlfriend by the throat. And nigga, I don't give a fuck, my flow on ice cold. Nigga, check my stones, nigga, I don't give a fuck about your bitch. Ha! I don't give a fuck about it, nigga. I'm all about getting these stacks and pulling triggers. Nigga, I'm on the box, on the motherfucking block, saying fuck the COPs, nigga. Never gave a fuck, because they always want to lock a nigga up. Lock up the innocent. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, what you think? Put that money in my cup like a nigga at the beach trying to get his hustle up. I'm on the grip that shit, and I grip Joe bitch, and I think that she wanna hit. Matter of fact, she wanna hit. Bounce up and down switch, motherfucker. I don't give a fuck. I'm from the West, bitch. I put the chopper on your motherfucking face. I don't give a fuck. You better stay in place. Motherfuckers hit me all up on the Facebook. I don't give a fuck because I am a face crook. Nigga, what the fuck? I'm two-faced like Gemini. Nigga, what the fuck? You better stay in your fucking line, little bitch. I ain't fucking hypnotized, because when it comes to money, I'ma get it right. And niggas hating on me like a fucking bitch. Matter of fact, I think I had her in my fucking clique. Matter of fact, I think I popped her in her fucking lips just for stepping out of line. You better get on your pimp shit. Motherfucker, I be pimping bitches. I don't give a fuck, but my wife, she be hitting bitches. Yeah, she be hitting bitches. I should throw my shades on so I can't see the critics. You niggas on me like a written book. And I don't give a fuck, my flow stay written shook.